Ah, Jake, your room is so messy. There are clothes, toys, and books everywhere. Don't you think you should clean it up?
Don't worry. I'll do that later. I'm kind of busy right now.
No, you need to do it now. It's been like that for quite a while now.
Chill. In fact, it doesn't bother me anyway.
Well, it bothers me, and it should bother you too. There are many reasons why it is important to keep your room clean. Do you want to hear them?
Not really. But I guess you're going to tell me anyway.
Yes, I am, because I care about you and your health. Listen, keeping your room clean has many benefits. It can help you kill germs, improve your sleep, reduce your allergies, and find things easily.
How can cleaning my room do all that?
First of all, cleaning your room can help you kill germs that can make you sick. Germs live on surfaces and in the air, and some of them can cause serious infections or diseases. By cleaning your room regularly with a quality disinfectant, you can eliminate a lot of them. Consequently, this will help you stay healthy and avoid getting sick.
Okay, I guess that makes sense. But how can cleaning my room improve my sleep?
Well, having clean bed sheets and a tidy bedroom can help you sleep better. Sleeping well is very important for your physical and mental health. It can boost your immune system, mood, memory, and concentration. When your room is clean, you can relax and fall asleep faster. You won't have to worry about the mess or the dust mites that live in your bed.
Dust mites? What are those?
Dust mites are small bugs that feed on the dust in your room. Dust is made up of dead skin cells, hair, and other particles. Dust mites produce waste that can trigger allergies or asthma. That's another reason why cleaning your room can reduce your allergies. By vacuuming your floor, curtains, and mattress, and washing your sheets regularly, you can get rid of dust and dust mites. This will improve the air quality in your room and make it easier for you to breathe.
Wow, I didn't know that. That's kind of disgusting. But what if I don't have allergies or asthma?
Well, even if you don't have allergies or asthma, cleaning your room can still benefit you in other ways. For instance, it can help you find things easily. How many times have you lost something in your room because it was buried under a pile of stuff? And how frustrated have you felt when you couldn't find it? By keeping your room clean and organized, you can avoid these problems. You can put everything in its place and know where to find it when you need it.
Okay, I admit that happens a lot. Sometimes I can't find my homework, my favorite toy, or my phone charger. It is annoying.
See? Cleaning your room can make your life easier and happier. It can also make me happier because I won't have to nag you to clean your room anymore.
All right. You've convinced me. Cleaning my room is important. But do I have to do it right now?
Yes, you do. The sooner you start, the sooner you'll finish. And the sooner you'll enjoy the benefits of having a clean room.
Okay, fine. I'll do it now. But can you help me?
Sure, I'll help you. But only if you promise to keep your room clean from now on.
Okay, I promise. Thanks for helping me and explaining why cleaning my room is important.
You're welcome, Jake. I'm proud of you for being responsible and willing to learn.